Okay. So it's Sunday night, 6 p.m. Hi, Bailey. And I finally decided I need to start packing because I hate it. I leave it to the last minute. The stuff that takes a while is getting like all this little stuff in these containers, like conditioner, shampoo. The V stands for Vicks. You can't take regular containers. I'm carrying on a bag. So I need to take stuff in smaller containers anyway. And that's just what takes a while, getting all the little stuff organized. I have my SIM card, my passport. I found some euro in my drawer from probably my last trip, which is kind of cool. Have my masks, my vaccine card. Clothes are easy, but again, it's just a little stuff. I always take like a stash of USD just in case it's always good to have some cash. Cash is king as a backup, a plan B in case your cards wouldn't work or you can't withdraw cash, because at the very least you can go to a bank or an exchange place and exchange USD for euro. It could get you by. Could buy you some time, buy you a day or two. So I washed my shoes. I don't know which ones I'm taking. I can't take all of those. I have to decide. But it's coming along. Yeah, I'm popping Airborne like crazy, taking some with me, just so I can build up my immunity a little bit. Bailey is not happy. She knows something is going on. She sees the suitcase and she's been very clingy, but I can't really help that. So I'm gonna keep at it.